Diving right on into 5222 Monticello Avenue, a newly renovated home that is for sale over here at Weichert Realtors ABG Properties. I'm Hunter Gann. I'm going to show you guys why you need these new listings in your inbox and why Monticello Avenue is going to be where you want to call home. Right off Newburgh Road area, Bardstown Road area, surrounded by the GE plant, Bugel, Costco, Bashford Manor area, Target, and so much more. This is a home that you are not going to want to miss. It's $189,999. So for 3-bed, 1-bath, 990 square feet, it is a prized possession, and the seller spared no expense with their renovations, such as the countertops, cabinets, flooring, and more. You are absolutely going to fall in love with this property. So without further ado, let's dive right on in. So walking right in here to the living room, $189,999, 990 square feet, brand spanking new kitchen. You can see seller spared no expense here. All new appliances with stainless steel. And no, that's not a blue dishwasher. We have been asked that. Beautiful granite with the shaker cabinets with black pull tabs, and just a very, very modern design here in this home. Rounding the corner, you'll check out the dining room right here where you'll eat, have fun, gather memories. This will be a good time. And as you can see, we turn here into the largest of the 3 bedrooms with the very high ceilings, natural lighting, and beautiful wood finished luxury flooring. You'll turn in here and check out the bathroom with a nice vanity set and exquisite shower tub inset and an awesome backsplash in here that gives you a luxury feel without the luxury pricing. And this is just a beautiful home. 3 beds, 1 bath. Here's one of the second guest bedrooms, additional bedrooms, as well as the final bedroom with tall ceilings. And this is a home that you are not going to want to miss. Schedule your private showing today.